So next concept is what are the disadvantages of React. So React is the JavaScript library. So React is not good choice for very small application because it is component based. We have to learn so many things. If we have single page application like portfolio or a simple website, there is no need to add a reusable component and all that things. So React is not a good choice for a very small application. Then what are the difference between React and Angular? So basically React and Angular both are basically a JavaScript framework. Both are used to create a single page UI application using components. So with the help of this React and Angular, what we can do, we can make the user interfaces. And then what are the difference in between them? So basically what is React? React is basically JavaScript library, whereas Angular is a complete framework. Then React uses a virtual DOM which make it faster. So React to this virtual DOM, so it doesn't update the whole page again and again, which makes it more faster. Then Angular uses a real DOM as it slow sometime. Then React is a smaller in size and lightweight and therefore faster sometime. So basically React is not a framework, so it is just library and it have the only required things. So React is basically a smaller in size as compared to Angular and also lightweight and therefore it is faster than Angular. Angular is bigger because it is a complete framework. Then React depends on external libraries for many complex features, so developer has to write many line of code for complex functionality. As basically React is a JavaScript library, so for doing the complex thing which is depend on another library, so we have to require from particular library like for the routing we have to use another library like that. Then in Angular, since Angular is a complete framework, therefore it provide built-in support for features like routing, forms validation and HTTP request. So as it is complete framework, so there is a built-in support for all these features. And for React we have to involve like integrate with external libraries. Then React is a simple to learn and more popular than Angular. So basically React is simpler as it is a component based and as it is a library, so there is no strict rules are there in React. And then it is a more popular than Angular because it is a library as well as it is a very simpler, so it is more React is more popular. Then Angular is slightly difficult to learn as it has TypeScript. So Angular is slightly difficult because it requires TypeScript. In React we may use JavaScript or TypeScript according to our convenience, but in Angular we have to strictly write TypeScript. Then OOPS concept and many more things. And in Angular there are the OOPS concept and many more things are there. Then next concept is the what is DOM. So basically DOM stand for document object model. Basically the DOM represents the web app as a tree-like structure. Basically DOM is nothing but like tree-like structure which allows JavaScript to dynamically access and manipulate the content and structure of web page. So what we can do, we can make the web pages by using HTML, and HTML, with the help of HTML we just make the structure of web pages. By using this CSS we add styling and all these things to that web pages, so to make it more dynamic and to do particular things like updating the particular thing, So for that purpose there is a DOM which provides some method. With the help of we can manipulate the content of that HTML and structure of the web page.